students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus. First chapter I am doing set language. In my previous class, I have completed exercise till 1.4 and few sums in exercise 1.5 I have completed. The remaining sums I will be doing in this class. Okay, so exercise 1.5, fourth sum. 3 sums already I have completed and few more sums I will do it in this class. So verify A union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C using Venn diagram. So first LHS is A union B intersection C. So first I will do B intersection C. So for doing B intersection C, I need universal set, set A, set B and set C. Set A, set B and set C. In this B intersection C is, this part I will get. This is B intersection C. Okay, then A union B intersection C is, A union B intersection C is, I have to join the elements of A. That is, I have to shade along with this, I have to shade A, B, C. This is universal set. Along with this B intersection C, I have to shade A also. I have to shade A also. This is A. I have shaded full A and then B intersection C is this part. Okay, so this is A union B intersection C. So this is my LHS. Then I go for RHS. So RHS is A union B intersection A union C. So first one is A union B. So A union B is universal set A, B and C. So A, B and C. So this one is what I have to do? A union B. So this is A, this is B. Union is combining all the elements of A and B. So that is A union B. Then next one is A union C. For that also the same way, universal set, set A, set B and set C. This one is A union C. So A union C is A and C. So this is A union C. This is A union C. Okay, so now A union B is these two sets, A union C is these two sets. In this, intersection of both the set will be, this part will be there fully and this part will be for both the elements, it is common. For both the sets, this part is same. This part, that is B intersection C is common to both. Other than elements of A, B intersection C part, that is common. So that is our A union B intersection A union C. So the same way, universal set, set A, set B, set C. In this, A union B intersection A union C will be this part alone. So this part alone we will get further. So LHS is equal to RHS. We have verified. See, the same thing only we are getting. A and B intersection C part. Next sum is, if A is equal to BCEGH and B is equal to ACDGI and C is equal to ADEGH, then show that A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So first we will take LHS. So in LHS it is given A minus B intersection C. So for this A set values elements are given already. We will find B intersection C first. So B is given as ACDGI, and intersection C is given as ADEGH. So in this, intersection means common elements between both the sets. So intersection is A, D is common, G is common. So ADG. ADG. So that is B intersection C. So now we need A minus B intersection C. So A is BCEGH minus ADG. So that ADG is B intersection C. So this minus ADG. So the common elements are, G is only common. Okay, since it is A minus B intersection C, common elements we have to find out. Remove the common elements and write the remaining elements from the first set. So first set is B, C, E and H. So this is our LHS. A minus B intersection C. This is the LHS. Now we will do RHS. So RHS is A minus B union A minus C. So first one is A minus B. So A minus B is, A is B, C, E, G, H minus elements of B are A, C, D, G, I. So now the common elements between these two are, C is common, then G is common. So A minus B is, we will get B, E and H. So this is A minus B. Same way A minus C also. So A is B, C, E, G, H minus C is A, D, E, G, H. So in this, common elements are E is common, G is common and H is common. So the balance is B and C. So this is A minus C. So now we have to find A minus B union A minus C. So A minus B is B, E, H union B, C. So this B, C is A minus C. So the common elements are B for this. We have to find the union of both the sets. So the answer is B, C, E and H. So here we got LHS is equal to RHS. So LHS is B, C, E, G, H we got. This is LHS and this one is RHS. RHS also we got it as B, C, E, H. So we have showed that LHS is equal to RHS. Next sum is, if A is equal to X such that X is equal to 6n, n belongs to W and n less than 6, B is equal to X such that X is equal to 2n, n belongs to n, that is natural numbers, and 2 less than n less than or equal to n, and C is equal to X such that X is equal to 3n, n belongs to n natural numbers, and 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. Then show that A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So this is the thing we are asked to prove. So for this, all the elements of A, B and C are given in set builder form. That is some rule it is given. First we have to find the elements of A, B, C. Then we have to substitute it in this given condition and check, show that LHS is equal to RHS. So first A is given as X such that X is equal to 6n. Other than this, it is given n belongs to W. W means whole numbers. Whole number starts from 0 and n less than 6. So what are all n we will get? So n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Since it is given n less than 6. So n less than 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are n values. So from this we have to find x. X is equal to 6n. So first we will substitute 0. Like that we have to substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the elements of A we will get. Okay. So we first one is n is equal to 0. So we will get x is equal to 0. Then n is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 6 into 1, that is 6. Then n is equal to 2. Then x is equal to 6 into 2, that will be 12. Then n is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 6 into 3, 18. Then n is equal to 4. X is equal to 6 4s are 24. Then n is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 6 5s are 30. So these are all the elements of A. So we will get the elements of A as 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. These are the elements of A. Same way we have to find the elements of B and C. Okay, so elements of B also the same thing. Some condition is given. So B is equal to x such that x is equal to 2n. N belongs to n. N means natural numbers. So it starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. And 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. So what are all n we will get? So n will be, the condition given is 2 less than n less than or equal to 9. So from 3 we have to write. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Less than or equal to 9. So we will include 9 also. Then x is equal to 2n it is given. So here all these values you have to substitute it and find the x. That will be the elements of B. So first one is n is equal to 3. Then x is equal to 3 2s are 6. Then n is equal to 4. Then x is equal to 4 2s are 8. Then n is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 2s are 10. Okay, we have to substitute 2n. So 2 into 5. Then n is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2 into 6, that is 12. Then n is equal to 7. X is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14. Then n is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 2s are 16. Then n is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 2s are 18. So these are all the elements of B. So B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So these are all the elements of B. So the same way we have to find for C also. So C, in the set builder form it is given x such that x is equal to 3n and n belongs to n. That means natural numbers. It starts from 1 and 4 less than or equal to n less than 10. This is the condition given. So n is equal to 4. We have to start from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 less than 10. So we should not include that one. So now we will get x is equal to 3n it is given. So n is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 3s are 12. Then n is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 3s are 15. Then n is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 3s are 18. Then n is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 3s are 18. 7 3s are 21. Sorry. Then n is equal to 8. So x is equal to 8 3s are 24. Then n is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 3s are 27. So these are all the elements of C. So C is equal to 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and 27. So these are all the elements of C. So we got the elements of A, B and C. Now we have to find, so these are the elements of A and these are the elements of B and these are the elements of C. So A, B, C we got. Now we will take LHS. So LHS is equal to A minus B intersection C. Okay. So in this, B intersection C will be, here it is B, here it is C. So the intersection between B and C, that is common elements between B and C is, so 12 is common, then 18 is common. So 12 and 18 are common elements between these two sets. So 12 comma 18, that is B intersection C. So A minus B intersection C is equal to common elements of A minus B intersection C will be, for A it is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. B intersection C it is 12 and 18. So we have to leave this 12 and 18 and the remaining elements from the A we have to write. So remaining elements are 0, 6, 24 and 30. So this is the LHS. Now RHS. So what is RHS? RHS is A minus B union A minus C. So first we will find A minus B. So A is here. So A and B. A minus B. So first we will take the common elements. Common elements are 6, 12 and 18. 6, 12 and 18 are common elements between these two sets, that is A and B. So A minus B will be remaining elements of A. So that is 0, 24 and 30. 0, 24 and 30. So this is A minus B. Same way A minus C also. So A minus C is A and C elements we will take. So elements of A and elements of C if we take, the common elements between these two sets are 12 is common, 18 is common, 24 is common. So 12, 18 and 24 are common elements. So elements of A minus C is common elements we have to take and remaining elements from A. So remaining element in A is 0, 6 and 0, 6 and 30. So now you have to write the union of A minus B and A minus C. So now A minus B union A minus C. A minus B union A minus C. That is the RHS. So when we combine these two elements, we will get 0, 6, 24 and 30. So we are asked to show that LHS is equal to RHS. So this is RHS, that is RHS value is this one and this one is LHS A minus B intersection C. So this is the LHS value. So this value of LHS and this value of RHS is equal 0, 6, 24 and 30. 0, 6, 24 and 30. So this is A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So we have showed that both the LHS and RHS value are equal. So with this I am completing today's class. So the remaining sums I will do it in the next class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.